Howdy. First floor. Going up.
Hi everyone, this is Jim, located here at Texas A&M University in the Oceanography and Meteorology Building, which is known as the 12th Man Tower. And specifically, I'm going to be telling you how I came up with that kind of nickname for the Oceanography and Meteorology Building. Anyways, I'm sure you are familiar with this term, home of the 12th man, as a tradition. First things first, the meaning of 12th man refers to 12 guys in a football game, which basically it all started out with you are only allowed to have 11 players in a football game. It all started out being inside a football game here at A&M with only to a maximum, originally you're supposed to have to a maximum of 11 players in a game. But in the roundabout, they happened to decide to add one more extra person, which that is what's called the 12th man. They added one more person basically to help finish the game. So that is the general meaning of home of the 12th man. Speaking of 12th man, this building right here has 12 floors, which is why I call this the 12th man tower. Coincidentally, in dedication to home of the 12th man. And we're gonna take around these elevators up to the 12th floor and you will see what I mean. So with that being said, we're gonna take this elevator up for a ride. These are Otis Series 2. These were originally Otis Lexan from 1971, and it got modernized with Series 2 in 2005. See right here? To number 12, which is where we're going to. As you can see, we are going up to the 12th floor, which is why I nicknamed the Oceanography and Meteorology Building known as the 12th Man Tower. And we are going up to the 12th floor. And this is definitely by far the tallest building at A&M. All right, here we are on the 12th floor. See the rail? See that? So anyways, we are here on the 12th floor, which is officially called the 12th Man Tower. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this little informative video. This is why I nicknamed the building called the 12th Man Tower, because we are on the maximum level of 12 floors, and coincidentally to relate with the 12th man as the tradition. So that is why I call the 12th Man Tower, which this is actually the Oceanography and Meteorology Building, known as the 12th Man Tower. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.